red egg, spin around. Swirl and twirl with a funny sound. Mix it up, then pour it out. Now we have red cupcakes. Yum, yum, yum. Yellow egg, in you go. Round and round, nice and slow. Whisk and whirl, what a sight. Now we have yellow cupcakes, golden and bright. Blue egg, bounce inside. Blend it smooth like a cupcake ride. Spin it up, then count with me. Now we have blue, 1, 2, 3. Green egg in the mix. Jump and jiggle, do cupcake tricks. Swishy, swish, now what do we get? Green cupcakes, the best ones yet! Purple egg, final one. Spin and smile, this is fun. Pop and fizz, the batter's done. Purple cupcakes, yum, yum, yum. 5 colorful eggs, swirled with cheer. 55 cupcakes, hooray and here. Damian smiles, claps his hands. Let's share them all across the land.